Hi, I'm Angela Andrew, Product Evangelist for Skylum Software. I'd like to show you how to add and place a watermark on a photograph. Let's get started. We'll start by creating a simple signature that you can apply to any photograph. Take a clean sheet of white paper and sign your name with a felt tip or thin marker, scan it, or use your digital camera to photograph the signature, then open that image in Luminar AI. Click on the Edit tab and choose the Light tool. In the blacks and whites section, move the white slider all the way to the right and the black slider all the way to the left. If your signature needs more contrast, you can also move the highlight slider to the right and the shadows to the left, then adjust the Smart Contrast slider for a crisp, refined result. Now, open the curve section and reverse the white and black points to turn the background black and the text white. The last step is to crop and export the signature file so we can use it. Go to the Composition AI tool and choose the free aspect ratio to crop and remove the negative space around the signature. When you're done, hit Return on the keyboard to commit the crop. Now that that's taken care of, go to File, Export, and export your signature as a JPEG. I recommend saving all of your signatures and watermarks in a single, easy-to-find place so you can locate them when you need them. Now let's apply our signature to a photograph. Open a photograph in Luminar AI and click on the Edit tab. Select Local Masking from the right-hand sidebar, then click Add Texture. From the Texture Selection drop-down list, scroll to the bottom and click the plus icon to browse your computer for your watermark or signature, then click the Open button. Now that we have our signature overlay, we'll increase the opacity to 100 to make it easier to see and position. Click the Place Texture button and drag from the corner of the signature to scale it to the appropriate size. For this image, we'll rotate the signature and place it in the lower right corner of the photo. Click on the Place Texture button or press the Return key to lock it into place. To remove the black background, open the Advanced settings and choose the Lighten Blend mode. Adding a stylish watermark or signature is a great way to showcase your personal brand when sharing your photographs online. Luminar AI makes it easy to complement your composition with your watermark or logo, ensuring it is placed in a way that doesn't overwhelm or distract from your subject. Visit skylum.com for more educational videos. I'm Angela with Skylum Software. Thanks for watching.